How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Add your story that you want to add highlights for. After you've added story, click on the story and then you'll find three dots located at bottom right corner of your screen. Click on three dots and then you'll find archive option. Simply click on archive. After you've pressed on archived, no one will be able to see your story. Then go to your profile and then click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three lines, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on archive and you'll find your story in here. It will only be available after 24 hours. Then press on highlight, add your highlight name and then press on add. And this is how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.